Good evening, everybody. Welcome to another episode of Widget Breakdown. My name is Trey Hope, and today I'm going to be going over one of my favorite widgets called the RichText widget. With the RichText widget, you can have different styles of text within one line or multiple lines in your app. So right here, as you can see, I kind of have an example already set up. This is saying, it's a simple sentence that says, "Hello, bold world." And as you can see, there's one that's a normal font, a bold font, and then an italic font. So let's go ahead and take a look at it. So over here in my code, the main body of the scaffold is the center, just so we can have it displayed properly. But then, as you can see right here, this is the widget that we're focusing on, the RichText widget. So what it does is it takes in a property called text, and that text is going to be a TextSpan. Now, the TextSpan is different from a normal text widget because TextSpan takes in children that allows you to specify the different text that you want. In text, you can only have one text, and that's where it becomes unanimous across the board as far as what type of styles can be applied to it. So as you can see here, for the overall, this whole text, for the entire TextSpan widget, I want the color to be black and the size to be 34. So by default, all three of these texts have that. But then when you come down to children, that's when it gets special, right? So now you can actually have a TextSpan that is only bold, as you can see right here. So the text bold, it says bold. The text right here that says world, that's in italic, right? And then the original first text that says hello, this doesn't have any special styling to it. It just goes by whatever the parent defaulted it to. So as you can see here, we have hello, bold world. But let's say you want to have text on different lines. You can do that as well. All you would have to do with that is add a carriage return. I believe that's what it's called, /n. Correct me if I'm wrong in the comments, but when you apply the /n to each child of your TextSpan, you then get it on each different line. So this becomes very helpful whenever you're trying to achieve a style of the app where you want different lines of text or a similar line of text but with different properties. So if this video was helpful, let me know in the comments. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I'll be seeing you next time on Widget Breakdown. Thank you.